Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys have some snacks and a very comfy couch for you guys to watch today's video. So as you may know, if you're an OG to the channel, I'm just a fan of like Dhgate hauls. That's pretty much what my channel has been focusing on in the past year or so, and I've noticed that you guys enjoy that content, so it's a win-win on both sides. So for today we have I believe 2 items that I want to open. These packages were in my mailbox yesterday. I know what one of them is, the other one I can't remember, so it's going to be kind of like a surprise. So let's go ahead and open them up. So we're going to start with the banger. I'm not even gonna actually like make you guys wait, because I have been waiting for this thing to arrive and it took super long. Let me tell you that. I think it took over a month. I really hope it fits me, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be so disappointed. Alrighty, so based on the sale record that I have here, I ordered a size extra large because the seller said that these were Asian sizes and I had to size up to 2 sizes for it to fit me like a size small or medium. So we shall see. So here we have a puffer vest by North Face and Gucci. Here you can see the tag. Now this pink tag that's on here, obviously I don't think it would be on the retail one, but just so you guys see, this is an extra large size. Again, these are Asian sizes, and I believe this one is going to fit me more like a medium size, but regardless, it's going to fit. I plan to wear this over a hoodie or some sort of like puffy layer piece, just so that this doesn't look massive on me. But I have been trying to add a couple vests to my collection. I know winter is about to be over, but I mean, these are pieces that I can keep for a very, very long time. Here I'm just giving you a closer look at the patch that's on the chest, and the buttons also have this very nice detail. Also, let me show you the inside. Here we go. And then I don't know if my camera is going to catch it, but the buttons have details as well. So I'll go ahead and put this on for you guys to see how it fits. Alrighty, so this is how it fits. It actually fits very, very nice. I am 5'5" height, and I believe I'm about 120 pounds. So I'm pretty skinny and I'm not that tall. So this is an extra large Asian size, and I think it fits me super nice. No complaints at all. And I actually could add more colors, because this seller right here had so many colors. I think he had about 8 or so colors, and I actually went for the black one just to kind of like keep it safe. But there was another one, which is the one that they did with Gucci and Balenciaga. This seller has it, and I think I may add it to the collection if the link is still available, because as you know, sometimes the links get taken down. So alrighty, now moving on to the next package. This one right here is a very tiny one. Yep. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, so this one is a t-shirt, and this one is by the brand Buxton. So you guys can see right here. So let's go ahead and see what's up. This one right here is a size medium, and it is from, I believe it's from one of my favorite sellers. So let's go ahead and see what's up. Oh wow. Alrighty. So here you have the t-shirt. Really good quality, very soft. And let me see if I can, there we go. Here you can see the details a little bit better. So it is a print, but it's a good quality print. This is actually my second Buxton shirt from this seller. Both of them are size medium. and they actually feel better quality than the Represent shirts I have purchased from this seller here. So I might add a couple more Cole Buxton shirts just because they're oversized fit. The material is really soft, and you know, it looks like it will last me, and you know, it's clothing pieces are trendy nowadays. So Cole Buxton shirt. Again, here is the front, and on the back we don't have anything, but again, super nice quality, and it has that like boxy oversized fit, which we all love nowadays. I will add a bonus item. Oh, alrighty, so we have an essentials item. I believe these are sweatpants, if I'm not mistaken. So we will see right now. This right here, I believe, is my 4th pair of essential sweatpants. And I had to add this kind of like sage color to my collection. All the sweatpants I've had or that I own currently have been sent by different sellers. So, or let me rephrase that. I have purchased them from different sellers. None of these items are free, just getting that clear. So this right here is a size, I believe it's a size, yeah, it's a size small. So this seller right here sells true to size. I believe out of the 4 sellers that I have used, only 1 has been Asian sizes. So anytime I want to purchase something, I always message them first. It does take 24 hours for them to reply back to me, so be patient if you're one of those people who message the sellers before purchasing something. So I just want to quickly show you the details on the front. Here we have the Essentials logo. Then I want to show you the tag, which is, sorry. It's right here, Essentials, size small. And then it does have, you know, this tag on the, sweatpant. And then your typical, you know, logo on your leg as well. We have it right here. So they do pay attention to the details, do not worry. But, you know, Essential sweatpants, super nice. Love it. This right here with that Cole Buxton shirt, that is a cozy fit if you ask me. So, thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end of this video. It means a lot to me. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And I will catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.